Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful crochet braids. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this Faux Locs Crochet braids. Something I absolutely love about this crochet braid is the color and the way it looks. Like, it's not like your typical normal Locs crochet braids. This one has like a natural, more like a doll look, which I really love, because that way when you keep the hair the longer you keep the hair, the more natural it's going to look. It's going to be as if it's growing from your hair. And I love the ombre color, as you can see. It's really nice, and the coils is really coily, as you guys can see. And it's great because I can style it anyhow I want to style it. And like I said earlier on, you can keep this up to 6 weeks, because the longer you keep it, the more beautiful it's going to look. So I received 6 packs of crochet braids here, and I ended up using 5 packs. In each pack we have 20 strands of crochet braids here, so that's very much enough. Like 4 packs can do if you want 4 packs, but I used 5 packs. So if you're wondering where I got this crochet braids from, I'm going to put the link and the name of the company in the description box below. These crochet braids are factory made, and they're very affordable as well, and they are obviously well made. I really love the way it turned out. And that's what it's going to be for now. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. As you guys can see, we have 20 strands in each pack of hair, and I ended up using 5 packs. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and do my quick braiding pattern. So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. I'm going to start doing the crochet. I will start from the back and I'm going to work my way up to the front. So once I'm done doing the crochet, I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair jam. And then I'm going to tie a scarf to let it dry. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf. And then here I'll be spraying my oil sheen. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle and I hope you guys love it as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.